How to create another Gmail account without phone number verification. In this video, I will guide you step by step. Just make sure to watch till the end. Before starting, you have to know that this is the only way to create a Gmail without phone number. If you will miss a single step, it'll not work. First, open up your setting app, scroll down and tap on Google. If not found, you can search as well. Then tap here. Add another Gmail account. Press on Google. As we are creating a new account, so we will tap on Create Account. Here we'll choose this first option for my personal use. Here enter your first and last name and press Next. Enter your date of birth, select your gender, and press Next. Here we will create our own Gmail address, or you can select from above as well, and we'll press Next. Create a strong password for your Gmail, and press Next. As you can see, it's asking to add our phone number. Scroll down and press on More options. Choose this first option and press Done. Next. I agree, and our Google account has been created successfully. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.